Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this Windows error. The file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. I faced this issue on my D drive, and I'll show you all the working methods step by step. Before we start, one important note. If you have very important files inside the drive, do not format the drive immediately. Always try repair and recovery methods first. To start, press Windows key plus X on your keyboard. From the menu, select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows Terminal, Admin. This is important because CHKDSK needs administrator permission. Now, type the following command carefully and press Enter. CHKDSK:/F/R/X. Make sure you replace the drive letter if your corrupted drive is different. Let me briefly explain the command. /F fixes file system errors, /R scans and recovers bad sectors, and /X forces the drive to disconnect before scanning. If Windows asks to schedule the scan, type Y and restart the computer. The scan may take some time depending on the drive size and condition. Do not close the window or shut down the system while it is running. After the CHKDSK process completed, I restarted the computer and checked the drive again. The corrupted folder was fixed, and the drive became accessible. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. If you still face issues, comment your error message below. Thanks for watching.